This is a lighting control panel. And this is my replacement Wi-Fi service. After you, sir. Around here. So I tried the Wi-Fi, but the Wi-Fi didn't work because this wall is very thick. I came to the window. Follow the cable, man. Follow the cable, follow the cable, follow the cable, follow the cable. Follow the cable, follow the cable, follow the cable. Alright. There's a lot of stone here. A lot of stone. And a lot of very... I'll show you where we are. There you go. I guess it's pretty cool. Oh, too much. Go this way. Alright. There's a thing there. So we are just down here. And here's our little red cable. Follow the cable, follow the cable, follow the cable, follow the cable. Goodness gracious. And here is where the Wi-Fi stopped. Okay. Alright, trying to get through this. It's impossible. This is what we're doing with the cable. Into the darkness we go. On we go, onwards. Thank God for 100 metres, eh? Of Ethernet. Goodness gracious. Into the tunnel we go. Careful now. Alright. So. Oh, careful. It's dark. The lights are flashing. Here we go, look. Oh, lovely. Alright. Let the commissioning commence.